In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can book flights online with booking.com. First, open up booking.com and make an account. Next, choose flights right here. And over here, you can start. For example, I'm going to start with the London airport. And here I can type in where I want to go. So, for example, Los Angeles right here. Then I can type in when I want to go. I just leave it at that. And then how many travelers. For example, 2. Then click on done. And then click on search. You can also choose only one way, multi-city. You can choose economy class, business class, first class, doesn't matter. Click on search. And here, then it will load. And here you can find desired flights on booking.com. And obviously, when you find a result, you can book your flight directly on booking.com. I hope this guide was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.